The Benks MagClap armor air case has quickly become one of my favorite options for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, offering an impressive blend of premium materials and thoughtful design. What immediately stands out is the genuine Kevlar fiber construction, a material choice that's both distinctive and practical. At just 0.85 millimeter thick and 22.5 grams, it's remarkably thin and lightweight, yet it doesn't compromise on protection. The case's minimalist aesthetic is executed beautifully, with a classic black carbon fiber pattern that complements the S25 Ultra's premium design. I particularly appreciate how the raised camera bezels protect the massive lens array without adding unnecessary bulk. The grip feels secure without being overly aggressive, which is crucial for a phone of this size. One of the standout features is its MagSafe compatibility. The N52 magnets provide a strong connection for all your magnetic accessories, from chargers to car mounts, and I haven't experienced any issues with wireless charging speeds. This implementation feels just as robust as what you'd find in more expensive cases. However, the ultra-slim profile might not offer enough protection for those who frequently drop their phones. While the Kevlar construction does provide good day-to-day protection, those seeking maximum durability might want to look at more robust options. For the price, the Benks MagClap Armor Air Case delivers exceptional value, especially considering the premium materials used. If you are looking for a slim, sophisticated case that doesn't compromise on functionality, this is an excellent choice for your S25 Ultra. Just keep in mind that the minimalist design prioritizes sleekness over heavy-duty protection.